A coffee and a new word.
Hi there.
Hello, welcome to the cafe. How are you today?
I am good, thank you. It is very hot outside.
Yes, it really is. Summer is finally here. What can I get for you?
I would like a large iced coffee, please.
Great choice. Do you want regular coffee or decaf?
Oh, I am sorry. What does decaf mean?
No problem at all. Decaf means coffee with no caffeine. It won't keep you awake.
Ah, I understand now. Regular coffee, please. I need energy today.
I know that feeling. Here is your total. That is $4.
Here you go. Thank you for explaining the word.
Of course. Your English is very good.
Thank you. I am a student. Small talk is still a little hard for me.
You are doing great. Asking questions is the best way to learn.
Yes, I try not to panic when I hear a new word.
That is a very smart idea. People here are happy to help.
That puts my mind at ease. Everyone is very approachable here.
We really try to be friendly. Are you studying at the university in town?
Yes, I am. I study business.
Oh, nice. My younger brother studies business there too.
Really? It is a very good school.
He likes it a lot. Do you have classes today?
No, today is my day off. I am just reading a book.
Reading in a cafe is a great way to spend a free day.
I agree. It is very relaxing.
By the way, my name is Sarah.
Nice to meet you, Sarah. I am Mark.
Nice to meet you too, Mark. Look, your iced coffee is ready.
Wow, that was fast. Thank you.
You're welcome. Would you like a pastry with your coffee?
Pastry? Is that a sweet bread or cake?
Yes, exactly. Like a muffin, a cookie, or a warm croissant.
They look delicious, but no thank you. Just the coffee today.
Okay, sounds good. Enjoy your book, Mark.
I don't want to take up too much of your time, but it was really nice talking with you.
It was nice talking to you too, Mark. Have a wonderful day.
Goodbye, Sarah. I will come back soon.
Waiting in line with a fluffy friend.
This line is very long today.
Yes, it is. I think everyone in town is buying pet food this morning.
True. We are all just waiting.
Just standing here. It is very quiet.
Yes, the dangerous silence. I never know what to say in lines.
Me neither. Sometimes my brain just stops working.
But I have to say, your dog is beautiful.
Oh, thank you so much. This is Buster.
Hi, Buster. He is so fluffy. He has better hair than I do.
He just had a bath. He smells like strawberries right now.
What kind of dog is he?
He is a golden retriever mix.
He is very calm. Is he always a quiet dog?
Usually, yes, but he loves to run at the park.
Oh, really? Which park do you go to?
We go to the big city park near the river.
I know that park. It is a great place to walk.
It really is. Do you have a dog too?
No, I don't have a dog. I have a cat named Luna.
Luna is a lovely name. Is she friendly?
Sometimes. She mostly sleeps all day on my sofa.
That sounds like a very nice life.
It is. I'm just buying her some new fish toys today.
I hope she likes them. Cats can be so funny.
They can. If I buy the wrong toy, she just ignores it.
Buster is different. He plays with everything, even my shoes.
Oh no, that is not good.
It was my fault. Now I keep my shoes in the closet.
Smart choice. Well, I am glad we struck up a conversation.
Me too. It really helped break the ice while we wait.
The wait didn't feel so long after we started talking.
Exactly. Small talk makes the day feel a little warmer.
Look, the line is finally moving. It is your turn to pay.
Oh, you are right. Well, it was lovely talking to you.
It was really nice talking with you, too. Have a great weekend with Buster.
Thank you. Goodbye.
A slow elevator ride.
Good morning. What floor do you need?
Good morning. Floor 10, please.
Okay, pressing 10. I am going to floor 9.
Thank you.
This elevator is very slow today.
It really is. It feels like it takes forever.
Yes, I am just standing here like a plant in the corner.
Well, you are a very polite plant.
Thank you. I want to talk, but sometimes my mind goes blank.
That is okay. Take your time.
I am learning English. Sometimes my brain says, closed today.
I understand completely. I am learning Spanish, and I do the same thing.
Really? Do you worry about making grammar mistakes?
Sometimes, but I think awkward silence is much worse.
I agree. Silence is a little scary.
You are doing a great job, though. Your English is very clear.
Thank you so much. I try to remember it is not a test.
Exactly. Nobody has a notebook to give you a grade. We are just talking.
So, did you have a good weekend?
Yes, I did.
Oh, now we are quiet again. The conversation stopped.
That happens. You asked a short question, so you got a short answer.
You are right. Let me try an open question. What did you do this weekend?
Much better. I went to a new bookstore downtown.
Oh, nice. What kind of books do you read?
I love reading mysteries and history books.
History is very interesting. I read a lot about American history.
That is cool. Do you go to the library often?
Yes, I go every Saturday. It helps me relax.
Reading is a great way to put your mind at ease.
It really is. Look, we are at floor 9 now.
The slow ride is over.
Yes. Thank you for helping me practice small talk.
You are very welcome. We really hit it off.
Yes, we did. Have a great day at work.
You too. Goodbye, David.
A stressful day at the supermarket.
Excuse me, are you waiting for the fresh bread?
Yes, I am. It smells very good.
It really does. The store is very busy today, isn't it?
Yes, it is. I really do not like shopping today.
Oh, it is not a fun day for you?
No, it really isn't. It is very stressful.
I understand. Sometimes crowded stores make me nervous too.
Exactly. There are too many people here.
Are you buying groceries for the whole week?
No, I am buying food for a big birthday party.
Oh, wow. Who is the party for?
It is for my son. He is turning 10 years old.
That is exciting, but I understand why you are stressed.
Yes, I have a very long list of things to buy.
Are you making a cake or buying one here?
I am buying one. Baking is not my cup of tea.
That is okay. The bakery here is actually very good.
Really? That puts my mind at ease. I was worried.
Do not worry. The chocolate cake is always a big hit with kids.
I will look at the chocolate cakes then. Thank you.
You're welcome. How many kids are coming to the party?
About 15 kids.
15. That is a lot of energy in one room.
It is. I need all the luck I can get.
Just take a deep breath. You are doing a great job as a mom.
Thank you. I was feeling grumpy, but this conversation helped.
I'm glad. A little small talk can make a heavy moment feel lighter.
It really can. You are very easy to talk to.
Thank you. Oh, look. The baker is bringing the fresh bread now.
Finally. It looks so warm and delicious.
It does. Well, I should get going so I can finish my shopping.
Me too. I still need to find the juice in the paper plates.
I don't want to take up too much of your time.
It was really nice talking with you. Good luck with your groceries.
Thank you. Have a wonderful party with your son.
A friendly chat at the bus stop.
Hello. Is this the bus stop for the downtown bus?
Hi. Yes, it is. We are waiting for the number 7 bus.
Thank you. The weather is very nice today, isn't it?
Yes, it is very sunny.
Are you going downtown for fun today?
No, I am going to work.
Oh, that sounds exciting.
It really isn't. I work at a very boring office.
Oh, I am sorry to hear that.
It is okay. It pays the bills.
My name is Brian, by the way.
Nice to meet you, Brian. I am Chloe.
Nice to meet you. I am trying to practice my small talk.
Well, you are doing a great job.
Thank you. Sometimes I feel like a robot reading a book.
No, you do not sound like a robot. You sound very human.
That is good to hear. Sometimes small talk feels like a test to me.
Many people feel that way. But a weird moment is not the end of the world.
Exactly. I try to just breathe and stay calm.
You are definitely getting the hang of it.
Thank you. Getting the hang of it means learning how to do it well, right?
Yes, exactly. It means you are practicing and improving.
That makes sense. What kind of work do you do at the office, Chloe?
I answer phones all day for a doctor.
Wow, that sounds like a lot of talking.
It is. Sometimes my voice gets very tired.
I understand. I hope I am not bothering you right now, then.
Not at all. This is a nice, simple conversation. It's a breath of fresh air.
I am glad. I try to ask questions to keep the conversation alive.
You are doing very well. It is nice to talk to someone genuine.
Thank you. Oh, look down the street.
Ah, the number 7 bus is finally here.
Yes, it is. Well, it was really lovely talking to you, Chloe.
It was very nice talking to you too, Brian. Have a great day.
You too. Good luck at work today.